How to use Perfect Souls in Raid Shadow Legends. Now, Perfect Souls are purple tier soul items that allow you to awaken a specific champion to a certain level, which is 1 to 6 stars. They're in the awakening system. Unlike Split Souls, Perfect Souls are more versatile and don't require your champion to already be awakened. Now, pretty much how to use these Perfect Souls is that you go to the Altar of Souls, which should be found over here in your Bastion screen, and which is unlocked once you reach level 42 over here and beat stage 12 level 7 in your campaign. Then just go ahead to the collection tab inside the altar and look for the perfect soul for the champion that you want to awaken. So make sure you own the champion and that it's at the required ascension level, which is the 3-star ascension minimum. There you can finally awaken the champion, so select the champion that matches the perfect soul and tap awaken to confirm. There your champion will now gain awakening stars and access to the blessing systems. So a 1-star soul gives 1 awakening star and so on. Assign a blessing, so once awakened, tap on the blessings button which is found in the champion's profile. Choose a blessing from the list available to the role, and some top blessings include Polymorph, Lightning Cage, Brimstone, and Soul Reap depending on your champ's use. So pretty much that's how you use your perfect souls, which is done in the altar of souls, of course, in your bastion screen. But anyways, hopefully some part of information in this video can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.